Hi, I'm Sherry. I want to welcome you to my studio today.
I wanted to do a quick little comparison between the Michaels Lexington cart and the Ikea Raskog cart. I've had the Raskog for a long time. I've had 3 of them, and today I got the Lexington. So the first thing you'll notice is that they're the exact same height. And the mesh liner in the Michaels one is more dense, which is nice if you have tiny things you're holding. Let's check out the measurements. $11.25 by 15. Don't even know if you can see this. It's hard to do things when you're holding a phone in your hand. 12 by 16. So Michaels is just under 3.5, and the Raskog is the same height. So the Raskog, each tray is a little bit bigger. The other difference that I noticed is that the Raskog is adjustable. You can move these up and down by unscrewing this little screw and get it up and down. It's also what made it hard for me to make sure it was perfectly level in the drawers. The Lexington has separate pieces, and this goes in between them. Let's look at the wheels. Okay, the wheels are 2 inches on this one and only 1.5 inches. This one has locks on 2 of the wheels, which the Raskog does not. Price-wise, they're exactly the same. So if you can't get to Ikea, you can get one at Michaels. A little bit smaller, but pretty much the same.
Thanks for watching my video. Please leave any questions or comments you might have, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you'll subscribe. Thanks again. Bye.